So if we wanted to change our rate,
Yeah.
we go into this screen and we got 2 doses. So say we want to do 50 litres a hectare
Yeah.
and 100, for example.
Yeah.
Press OK, OK, start. Now when I scroll up,
Yeah.
I've got 50 litres hectare, and I'll push this, it'll go to 100. Are you two?
Yeah. You shall use the 100.
Okay? Yeah. Okay, on this screen also we've got implement.
Yeah.
So when you go there,
Yeah.
we want to make sure that we're on liquid.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
If you push test,
Yeah.
we can then go into sprayer simulation.
Yeah.
So all I'm going to do is push start,
Start there. Yeah.
and now you can see it's starting to put the application on. So we want 70 litres per hectare,
Yeah.
and we're putting on 70 litres per hectare
Okay.
at 10k.
Yeah.
If I go down one,
Yeah.
you'll see it'll go up and it comes back down again.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's how you know it's working.
Okay. Okay.